Okay, welcome everyone. My name is Kenyatta. For those who are new, just wanted to have this time together. Oh, hi Tanya, welcome. My sister's here to support me. Can you hear me okay though? Just give me a thumbs up in the chat if you can. How's the volume? Okay, some kind of signal. Okay. So let's start off by just writing in the chat where you're calling in from. I just wanted to gauge where everyone is. I'm here in Clarendon, Jamaica, and I've been here now for 3 months, and spending time, getting close to the land, reconnecting with my Jamaican roots, and just living life. So welcome. I wanted to get to know my subscribers and just welcome, because I covered the Merciless, and as well as I was in Sav, and I also had a coverage in the Revival Church, and those two coverage has given me a lot of subscribers, and I wanted to just have the time just to welcome everyone. I'll flip between Patois and English, so bear with me. How it come out. Okay, I see a thumbs up. Great. So My name is Kenyatta, Kenta for short. That is my given name. I gave it to myself. And I'm known by many other names. Even recently come to Jamaica, I adopted a new name, Farm Girl, after walking through town with, my farm gear on. I also known by my birth name, Kenisha. I also, I go by many names. Even my monastic name, Sister Sweet Sound. Some people know me just as that. So, welcome everyone. I wanted this time just to connect. So, who's in the room? I see we have 3 people on. Don't be shy. We're just connecting. I'm shy too, so okay, let's be shy together. So, who's in the room? Give a shout out. Introduce yourself. I see Tanya. Hey, girl. Who else is in the room? If you don't feel like sharing, that's also okay. I'll share a little bit of my story for those who don't know, and feel free to ask any question. I welcome question. I welcome curiosity. So feel free to ask any question. And even my siblings too. If you do have questions, come up, put it out there. Maybe other people have those questions too. So born and raised in Jamaica, and age around 14. Yeah, 14, moved to Canada with my siblings. Tanya is one of them. And Tennille, myself, Tanya and Tennille, moved to Canada and lived our life there. And of course, I feel like a cat. I have so many lives. From going to school in Toronto and later on traveled, went to France for a year, got married, but I think in all my journey, I always felt that there was something missing, something not quite right, because I've heard a lot of people sharing that, you get a good education, you get married, you have kids, and, this is the route to, a happy life. But after doing those things, I didn't have kids, but after getting married, and it was like, yeah, there's still something not quite there. And that kind of feeling had led me down to the road of exploring. At the time, I didn't really know it was like a religion, but I explored Buddhism, and just because I wanted something a little bit more in life, more than what I experienced so far. And but I didn't just go into spirituality, because before I was atheist, wanted nothing to do with the church. And after having that time of, yes, all because the society said so. Yes, that's right. I guess that's a time when I decided to diverge from what society said was normal. And so I remembered, I think around 5 years of having my job after school, and I was, making good money, and felt like, okay, the happiness still not coming. I can have more access to things. I can travel. I can buy what I want, but still, I just felt as if something key was missing. And then, being who I am, I kind of followed that. And I remember specifically, there's this one lady, I took a course through work, and this one lady, the teacher of this course, negotiation and communication, because at the time I thought, if I learned how to, like if I improve myself, learn how to communicate better, negotiate it better in my job, then, things will be better. And actually, that woman, she was so different from anyone I've met up until that point. And she shared about, life, and questioning, pretty much questioning what one is doing. And prior to that time, I always thought the problem was like all out there. So that kind of way of thinking kind of really, I think it just scared something inside of me, and it set me on a path. So that led to my spiritual journey, monastic journey, ordained for, I was ordained for 8 years. But in that tradition for, I think in 2008, I started 2008, and I left last year, 2021. Yeah, I'm not sure how much detail to get into. Don't want to bore you with my story, but I just wanted to share that making that life choice kind of set me on a different path, into self-care, self-love, self-knowing. And because of that self-knowing, I have the courage I need to do what I need to do, take steps, what I need to. And most importantly, it gave me this inner contentment. Mind you, I could have stayed in the monastery and, just live, I guess, separated from my culture, my roots. But there's something also was telling me that no, that's not quite it. So the monastery was almost like a incubator or a greenhouse where, I learned a lot of things, hours and hours of meditation and working in community and how to work out the nuances that comes up in community. But I felt as if that was not it. When COVID came, it kind of just showed me very clearly that, yeah, I can't, if I were to die, I feel as if I would regret not going back to my roots, my culture. Yeah, so anyways, that brought me here to Jamaica and back to the source. And it's been fun. Actually, I really love Jamaica and I love the people. I love the food. I'm vegetarian though, actually vegan, but I love the food. I love, everything about Jamaica. I feel a sense of freedom as if I can spread my wings and explore. And this YouTube channel, I must tell you, I'm really shy. So this channel is a part of my journey in actually stepping out a little bit of my shyness and to explore, I guess, things that I kept, hidden. Hi, Nisi. Welcome, girl. I just shared a little bit about my path up to now and being here in Jamaica. With this vlog, I am challenged. So I have a background of the things that I do to overcome the shyness and the wanting to hide things. And then I have what I show on in my post is actually after I overcome them, I'm able to, post. Even merciless, the fact that I'm going to a dance hall, a great dance hall, a legend, funeral, and include that in my experience. I was like, oh my God, this is like, I was in the monastery for like, how long? And then here I am back in Jamaica and I'm in dance hall. Monastery and dance hall don't really mix. But I, I lean into that and it's like, oh, this is also a part of it because what I know of the mind and in, meditation and training, we want to, all the categories and boxes that we build, as in, I'm not this person, I'm not that person. We want to practice in a way where, those barriers go down and we can be able to embrace and love. So I had to process the merciless and lean into it. So by the time it came to the graveside, I was like all in it, as in, this is it. And this is where my journey has led. And, be able to bring my flavor into it, which is, really getting personal. And yeah, I do get inquisitive too. So I wonder if there's any question, any curiosity out there. Did you find my vlog through Alves and Tanya? I know you're my sister. But anyone else know if you'd like to share where you learned about this channel, please drop it in the chat. And of course, please give some thumbs up so help the channel grow and reach more people. Nisi, we met in Bogwalk when I was there in July. So big up Nisi B. Nisi B also has a channel, so please go over there and show her some support. Nisi B, okay? Yeah, so I wondered if there's any question. I wanted to come on and connect with you, but I feel as if maybe there's some shyness or not. Offer some space. And in that offering of space, I'm going to also play this again. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, thank you so much for being here on this journey. I will continue, and yes, there's some people passing, but I will continue my journey, being being real and authentic in my experience, and of course sharing based on how I live it, because yes, I did say that I'm an unconventional Jamaican, and it's mainly because as my sister really puts it, I don't go into any boxes. It may get me in trouble, but it's okay. At least I know that I'm being true. So I wondered if there's any question before I log off. I just wanted to come on just to get to know you, but you are shy. I guess we'll work up to that. Yeah. Yes. So, guys, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll continue to post based on my experience here. I do have some meditative stuff that I include. If you don't understand it, please let me know, because that feedback helps me to arrange it in a way that it can really suit the need of the people. And right now, the majority of my subscribers are Jamaican. So have you meditated before? Like the form of meditation where, whether it be breathing or, relaxation? Hello. Ariana, welcome, my dear. Glad to see you on. Welcome. This is my beautiful niece, talented, gifted. Welcome, sweetie. Auntie is gonna sign off soon, but I was just saying before, if you find the meditative things I have on helpful, please let me know in the comments, especially because meditation is not only one thing or one way. It can be tailored, and that is my task. My challenge is how I can how to make it relevant. Okay, that's it for now. I think that's it. Thanks, folks. Thank you, sister. Thank you, Nisi. Thank you, Nisi B, for joining. And I hope to connect with you more from time to time on these live chats at home. And also I will do live chat while in the fields, in the farm, in the vineyard. Okay. So thanks again for joining, for those who join. And again, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel to help it grow. And I also want to say a big up to all the subscribers, because today I hit the milestone of having 500 subscribers. And I feel as if from the grave, Merciless has helped me help this channel, help our people, because I'm here for the people. So I want to just say thank you for those who subscribed, and we'll see how the journey goes. So peace out. Thank you guys. Thank you. Peace out, and big up to all the people, and big up to all the people them. Okay, and don't feel free to comment. I will respond. I'm here. I am for the people. All right, little more. Peace out.